In this makeup tutorial, you're going to go and turn yourself into pretty much what looks like almost a pumpkin, but also a pumpkin clown. So let's get started. To begin this makeup, you're going to want to go and glue down your eyebrows and protect them properly, since you're going to go and put either scar wax or something else over them. Now take some liquid latex, put it onto your nose, and then go and surround it with cotton. Leave the center of your nose exposed, and then cotton at the sides. Take more liquid latex and put it over the top to go and kind of seal it in and make it less fluffy. While that dries, go over to where your mouth is, put a line across, a line out where the edges of your lips are, and then continue to make it look like pretty much what you would go and cut out the mouth of a pumpkin. Before the liquid latex dries, go and put cotton over it. Make sure to get the sides, and after you have cotton down where the liquid latex is, and keep in mind you want to make your face kind of look like it's a cutout piece of a jack-o'-lantern, so do keep that in mind while you're putting all of this down. Go and cover the cotton again with some liquid latex to go and flatten it a bit and make it less fluffy. From there, go and create a semicircle at the bottom of where your jaw is, continue over your chin, and then bring it up to the other side. It's going to take a good amount of time for all of this to dry, so when it dries, go over to where your eyes are, and now you're going to use some scar wax to go and create triangles. You could also use more cotton and liquid latex, but usually going over the eyebrow, if you don't have it protected with petroleum jelly, can sometimes go and take out hair, plus 2 liquid latex over the eye area kind of isn't fun. Now take powder cosmetic and brush it on top. You can use an off flesh tone, or maybe you can use a red if you want to make it look inflamed. I am using a powdered cosmetic that has a very small amount of red in it. Now in the inner portion of where your mouth area is, go and paint this with red cosmetic. I'm using water-based cosmetic. You could also use grease as well for this. It should be really messy. Also get your nose area, and also get your eyes as well. Go and fill in all of this area, and after you've filled this in, now what you're going to go and do is you're going to go and create some lines down your face with brown powdered cosmetic. After you create the really thick lines, which you should probably have anywhere between 5 to 7 on your face, go and follow it with a very, very skinny line down the middle. This can be messy as well. If it looks messy, it really adds to the look. This also really makes everything pop, and after you have that done, you're going to go into the area that you went and painted red with fake blood. Make it really, really, really messy. Like really messy. Like get over all of the edges, use your fingers to go and pat it out to make it look like it's, of course, messy and gross, because if you're a pumpkin and you had maybe some of the flesh cut off, yeah, there you go. You're going to look messy. You're not going to look fully and totally clean. So when your makeup is done and everything is dry, it should look like this. This makeup is awesome. I really like how this one came out. It's pretty easy to do, and it's also spooky. Thank you all so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a great one, and happy spooky season.